हेलो एवरीबॉडी, माय नेम इज सिद्धि। वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई होप तुम सब लोग बढ़िया हो एंड सब कुछ तुम्हारे आसपास अच्छा चल रहा है। सेंडिंग यू लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी, वार्म हग्स एंड गुड वाइब्स। कुछ दिनों पहले मैंने कम्युनिटी पोस्ट करा था, मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे स्टोरी भी डाली थी अबाउट मी मेकिंग अ वीडियो जहाँ पे आई विल बी रीडिंग योर कन्फेशंस। वो कोई चीज़ हो सकती है जो तुम्हें किसी इंसान को कहनी है, या फिर वो कोई कन्फेशन हो सकता है जो तुम लोगों को कहना है। एंड आई हैड आस्क्ड यू टू सेंड दिस ईदर ऑन माई जीमेल और लाइक डायरेक्टली मैसेज मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। तो मेरे को कुछ मैसेजेस मिले हैं, डीएम पे भी मिले हैं एंड जीमेल पे भी मिले हैं। तो आई विल बी रीडिंग दैट इन दिस वीडियो। सबसे पहले तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द trust that you people have in me for sharing these many things. Mainly those confessions are around NEET, something which has happened in the past or something which is to happen in future. उसके बारे में सोच के अपने प्रेजेंट को क्यों ही खराब करना, राइट? दिस इज समथिंग जो मैं बहुत सारे लोगों से कहना चाहूंगी। जितने आई हैव इंक्लूडेड इन दिस वीडियो, दे आर रैंडम। जैसे जैसे वो मेरे पास आते रहे, मैं उनका स्क्रीनशॉट लेते रही। आई हैवंट रेड देम। आई डिड आस्क यू पीपल कि मैं उनको एनोनिमस रखूं या नहीं। तो जिन लोगों ने बोला था कि एनोनिमस रखना है, मैं उन्हीं के कन्फेशंस को एनोनिमस रखने वाली हूँ। बाकी सबके मैं नेम्स लेके यहाँ पे बोल रही हूँ। इफ यू वांट योर कन्फेशन टू बी इंक्लूडेड इन सम अदर वीडियो, तो यस, यू कैन डायरेक्टली डीएम मी। इट कुड बी एनीथिंग जिससे भी तुमको अपने दिल की बात कहनी है। कोई भी चीज़ ऐसी है लाइक यू हैवंट सेड दिस टू एनीबडी एल्स, और प्रॉब्ली यू वांट कोई ऐसा स्टोरी टाइम और ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस दैट यू वांट इन दिस चैनल, यू कैन सेंड मी डायरेक्टली। स्टार्ट करते हैं पहली कन्फेशन के साथ। ये कन्फेशन मुझे जीमेल में आया था। सो मैं यहाँ पे स्क्रीनशॉट भी लगा दूंगी सच दैट तुम लोग भी पढ़ लो। एंड आई एम रीडिंग इट फ्रॉम माई iPad. This is a mail which I got from Kaustubh Mani. So he says, I want to share my story about a person who came in my life in June 2023. It was a very fragile time for me as I had failed in the attempt of NEET 23. I felt so useless and burdened on my parents because I had spent almost 6 lakhs of my parents' hard-earned money in quota and then ended up with just 260 marks in NEET. At that very time, I had suicidal thoughts and much more. I was very, very depressed. Then she came into my life and everything started coming back to track. I felt so relaxed because with her, she also understood my problem and she was like available anytime for me whenever I felt low. Time passed by, everything was going well when she went to Delhi and joined a college, business studies. Now the things started changing. She was ignoring my calls, not seeing my messages, and so on. I just could not understand the contrast in her character from the one who used to soothe me in my bad times. I literally have messages being starred in WhatsApp in which she had said, "You can reach out to me anytime. I will be there for you even when I'm busy because I know you need me." I was like totally dependent on her when I had hard times. During my prep, I just used to talk to her, and now she's not there for me. I could not digest this fact. Time passed and I was in so much pain. But yes, those pains helped me a lot to study hardest, and I ended up with a good score of 620 in NEET 2024. Now you know, Siddhi, that was not a bad score. Instead, the year was cursed for us. True. He continues further. The pain continued to be in my heart, but yes, it was a little bit fainter now. I worked my ass off the next year, and also I'm happy that I got selected in NEET 2025 with a decent rank of 9,000. I'm confident now that I will get one of the top colleges of my state. But yes, the pain will always be there in my heart. It's just that I've learned to live with those pain. Kaustubh, first of all, very, very congratulations to you. I hope that your journey ahead is full of light. It is full of good experiences. And even though somebody left you for her sake, क्योंकि वो अपने ही sake के लिए गई, she must have been busy there, और मतलब कोई और reasons होंगे उसके अपने. But yes, I'm very, very happy कि you took that thing as something to channelize yourself, and तुमने अपनी चीज़ों को better way में channelize किया, तुमने अपनी energy को better way में channelize किया. Instead of just sulking about some person, just ignoring you, you channelized those energy into studying, and finally you are getting the college which you've always dreamed of. Yeah, thank you so much for sharing. The next one is also a mail. It is from Drishti. So I assume that she wants her name to be here, although I asked her, but Drishti, you haven't replied. So इसलिए मैं तुम्हारा नाम ले रही हूँ. So let's start. Hey Siddhi, this side Drishti. First of all, I just want to say a big thank you to you because you don't know that you are healing something from your words. I remember when you pop up on my feed randomly, and yes, I'm very dululu, and I thank universe for suggesting me your videos. And since then, I'm watching you, listening to you, noting all your words, and thank you, thank you. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much, Drishti, and thank you so much to everybody. Actually, always said that I'm so grateful to you because you people give me one of the best compliments like I've ever received. और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होती हूँ वो सब कुछ पढ़ के. So thank you so much. I don't think that you like to cover something like this on your channel, but I want you to give me advice on this, or maybe someone out there who is just like me, someone who would understand how hard it is to keep unsaid things in your heart. So here I am hoping that someone is understanding me. Letters to the one I cherish and adored till now, knowing that he knows everything and I am waiting. First of all, Drishti, I do not know why do you think that I would not share. I would share almost anything. I know how people are here. तुमको कहीं पे भी judgment नहीं मिलने वाली है, ठीक है? Now let's proceed. I used to talk to a guy who wasn't exactly like me, but somehow he felt familiar. He loved cricket, was a big fan of IPL and adored Diljit Dosanjh. Little things that made me smile because I loved them too. He didn't drink, didn't smoke, didn't care for showbazi. He was very quiet in a way that felt safe. In just 2 days, he started sending his photos asking, "Ye kaisi hai, dal do ise." Like he trusted my opinion and like I mattered. It was sweet, silly, a little unexpected. I found him through a mutual, and even though I initiated it, he kept the conversation going from November 20 to January 1. I am very impressed that you actually also remember the dates here, and I would just come back to it, but let me first read it, okay? But slowly things changed. He replied late, left my stickers on red, and eventually he just stopped. One snap, that's it. No goodbye, no explanation, just silence. He's still there on my snap, but we don't talk. And maybe that's what hurts. The quiet ending without any reason. I don't know if he lost interest, got busy, or just didn't care as much. I won't ever ask because I have self-respect. I won't chase answers for someone who doesn't try. But I'll admit, for a moment, I thought he could be the one I dreamed of. He wasn't, and that's okay. Some people come in our life like a soft breeze and leave without a sound. He was one of them. And even though he left quietly, this note is here to remember that I felt something, that I tried, and that I'm still standing. So Drishti, it was very beautiful, very well framed. I felt as if I'm reading some novel. But Drishti, तुमको बस मेरी एक ही advice रहेगी, like somebody who is elder to you, assuming कि तुम अभी सिर्फ 18 या 19 साल की होगी. I would suggest कि whatever the little self-respect you have within you, which is stopping you from texting that person, keep that self-respect just on. हमेशा ऐसा नहीं होता है कि हर इंसान का हमारी लाइफ में कोई ना कोई रोल है. कई लोग they just come and they just help us, they just make us feel a certain way, and then without any reason they just leave. That doesn't mean that हम उनके पीछे अपनी कोई भी एनर्जी लगाएं, because him not texting you, him not replying to you, him just keeping you on red even though you so bad want to talk to him, should be a symbolism of you realizing your worth. And even though I know that तुम नहीं कर रही हो उसको text या कुछ भी, but do not wait for him, because ultimately even if he comes back, what if he goes back again? What if he comes and heals that part of you that he has broken, and then he's with you and you are healing, you are happy, and then when he goes, then वो part जो heal हुआ था वो भी ज़्यादा broke हो जाए या फिर कोई और चीज़ ज़्यादा broken हो जाए. तो I would suggest कि just keep up to whatever you feel. Sometimes people are not people who make us feel a certain way. They are people who are here to teach us something. तो इसको as a teaching ही लो, and बाकी So thank you so much for the lovely message that you had sent. One of my old friends told me कि तुम पूरी वीडियो एक ही फ्रेम में बनाती हो, तो हर सेगमेंट में थोड़े बहुत फ्रेम्स बदल दिया करो. तो इसीलिए मैं अब हर क्वेश्चन के बाद थोड़े बहुत फ्रेम्स बदल रही हूँ. ऑल्सो माई फ्रेंड, आई एम टेकिंग योर एडवाइस, सो बी ग्रेटफुल टू मी. Also guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel and haven't liked this video, then please करो ना यार. तुम लोगों को बस एक बटन दबाना है, that's it. फिर ये वीडियो थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा ऑडियंस तक पहुंचेगी, थोड़े से ज़्यादा मेरे को भी खुशी हो जाएगी. तुमको नहीं अच्छा लगेगा कि मुझे थोड़ी बहुत खुशी हो? बताओ, लगेगा ना? तो ठीक है, सब्सक्राइब भी कर दिया करो देखने के बाद अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगती है तो. अदरवाइज कोई सजेशन जो तुम लोगों को देने हैं तो मेरे को कमेंट सेक्शन में दे सकते हो. आई एम ऑलवेज ओपन टू इट, ओके. बट प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज कंसिडर लाइकिंग ऑल्सो. अब मैं इंस्टाग्राम के डीएम्स पढ़ रही हूँ और इंस्टाग्राम पे मेरे को ऑलमोस्ट जितने डीएम्स मिले हैं सबने बोला है कि उनको अनोनिमस रहे. एज यू आर मेकिंग अ वीडियो ऑन यूट्यूब वेर यू विल रीड द पैराग्राफ और समथिंग दैट वी विल शेयर, आई एम लिटरली वेरी कंफ्यूज एंड रियली फीलिंग एग्जॉस्टेड because nothing is going the way I wanted. I really don't know which course should I choose or do for my betterment and for my future. As you are also a PCB student, I really want to know what are you going to do now. And if you can tell me about any good private or government colleges in Nainital, so please tell me. I love watching your videos and it is so soothing and really relaxing. Grow more and shine harder. Keep my name anonymous. So first of all, thank you so much for complimenting me. As I said, I really feel good. So thank you so much. Also, yes, it feels draining because you plan a certain way and जब वो उसके अकॉर्डिंग नहीं चलता है तो बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग भी लगता है. लगती हैं चीज़ें, बहुत ज़्यादा बुरी भी लगती हैं. अगर मैं अपनी बात बताऊं तो आई हैव ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटेड माय ग्रेजुएशन. इट वाज अ नॉर्मल ZBC डिग्री. और जैसे तुमने कॉलेज के बारे में पूछा है, नैनीताल में जो कैंपस का कॉलेज है दैट इज़ कुमाऊं यूनिवर्सिटी का. इट इज़ द कैंपस कॉलेज विच इज़ द DSB कैंपस. वहीं से मैंने कॉलेज किया है. एंड अबाउट द प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस, वहाँ नैनीताल सिटी में इतने प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस नहीं है, बट जैसे भीमताल, हल्द्वानी, यहाँ पे तुमको थोड़े बहुत प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस मिल जाएंगे लाइक ग्राफिक एरा एंड ऑल. तो अगर इनसे तुम्हें करना है तो तुम कर सकती हो. दीज डेज आई एम जस्ट इंक्रीजिंग माई नॉलेज, समथिंग दैट आई हैड लॉस्ट ऑन द वे. आई एम रीडिंग अ लॉट. आई एम इंक्रीजिंग माई जनरल knowledge. I am also reading general subjects like history, geography, and all of those subjects. And also, I am coming out of the reading slump, which I was into for, I think, 2.5 years. मैं 2.5 से कोई भी बुक्स नहीं पढ़ी थी. And I am also coming out of it slowly and steadily by reading books that I absolutely love. Do not feel कि life is not going your way. Just do what your heart feels like. If you think कि तुमको ये वापस से ड्रॉप वगैरह लेना है, so you can go for it. If you think that this is not something for me, then probably you can choose some other way. And whatever you are choosing, just do your best there. Just give in your best. चाहे कुछ भी हो. Like अगर नॉर्मल डिग्री हो उसमें ही अपना बेस्ट दो, सच दैट तुम वहीं एक्सेल करो एंड आगे उसी क्षेत्र में आगे चले जाओ. Because there are a lot of opportunities for the person who is actually wanting to try, and there is absolutely none of it for the person who is just standing still and just wondering. This is again one mantra which I would like to share, जो कि मेरी एंजाइटी को ओवर करता है. That's कि आई हैव टू डू थिंग्स फॉर माई फ्यूचर सेल्फ. अगर मैं अभी सैड रहूंगी, अभी डिप्रेस रहूंगी, तो मैं अपने फ्यूचर सेल्फ को कुछ भी नहीं दे रही हूँ. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग माई फ्यूचर सेल्फ एंड ट्रॉमास. तो मैं यही सोच के ओवर थिंक के लूप में नहीं जाती हूँ अब, बिकॉज आई थिंक दैट माई फ्यूचर सेल्फ डू नॉट डिजर्व दैट. सो वट एवर आई एम डूइंग टूडे, आई एम डूइंग इट फॉर माई फ्यूचर सेल्फ. मैं तुमसे भी यही कहूंगी कि प्लीज डू नॉट फील एग्जॉस्टेड, प्लीज डू नॉट फील ड्रेन्ड, प्लीज कम आउट ऑफ इट, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन यू एंड इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर आउटलुक. इफ यू थिंक यू कैन डू ग्रेट इन लाइफ, यू विल डेफिनेटली डू ग्रेट, बिकॉज यू विल देन प्लान थिंग्स उसके अकॉर्डिंग. एंड इफ यू आर जस्ट there sulking about things which have gone in the past, which have gone bad in the past, then again you would just waste your own energy and your own time. अभी तक के जितने भी तुम्हारे पास्ट के एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं उन सबको नोट करो. तुमने उन एक्सपीरियंसेस से क्या सीखा, कैसे तुमने कैसे उन चीज़ों को ओवरकम किया उस टाइम पे, उन चीज़ों के बारे में सोचो. जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक टूवर्ड्स द पॉजिटिव साइड ऑफ इट. जब तुम्हारी लाइफ में कभी भी चैलेंजेस आए थे, तुमने उसको कैसे पार किया, हाउ डिड यू कम आउट ऑफ इट, कैसे तुमने उन चीज़ों को तब हैंडल करा, एंड जस्ट टेक थिंग्स पॉजिटिवली. और जैसे मैंने बताया, नैनीताल में गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज, इट इज़ एक्चुअली यूनिवर्सिटी का कॉलेज, तो बेसिकली इट इज़ ऑटोनॉमस, इट इज़ DSB कैंपस, वहीं से मैंने पढ़ा है. और बाकी प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस वहाँ पे बहुत सारे हैं, प्राइवेट कोर्सेज भी वहाँ बहुत सारे हैं. लाइक हर्मिटेज में बहुत सारे कोर्सेज होते हैं, लॉ के कोर्सेज होते हैं, BBA के कोर्सेज होते हैं. ये सारे कोर्सेज होते हैं जो तुम चेकआउट कर सकते हो. जस्ट डू योर ओन रिसर्च, ओके. एंड अगर आउटस्कर्ट्स की बात करें, जैसे हल्द्वानी की बात करें, भीमताल की बात करें, तो वहाँ पे भी तुम्हें बहुत ज़्यादा कॉलेजेस मिल जाएंगे. इफ यू आर जस्ट पर्टिकुलरली आस्किंग अबाउट Nainital and around. Okay, so thank you so much for your question. Now proceeding on to the second question, which is again anonymous. It has to be kept anonymous. He has asked me to use the word R for him. तो उनके लिए मैं R use कर लेती हूँ. This letter is from R. He says, "Sometimes it feels like life is just stuck. I have tried again and again, gave it all, but still couldn't clear this exam. And now it just feels like maybe I'm not good enough." खुद पे ही डाउट होने लगा है. फैमिली सेज थिंग्स लाइक डोंट वरी, एवरीथिंग विल बी फाइन, बट उनकी आंखों में कुछ और ही दिखाई देता है, जैसे वो खुद भी थक गए हैं पर कह नहीं पा रहे. दैट साइलेंट प्रेशर ब्रेक्स मी मोर देन देयर वर्ड्स एवर कुड. फियर, एंजाइटी, होपलेसनेस, सब कुछ एक साथ चिपक गया है. एंड द वर्स्ट पार्ट, द पीपल आई लव्ड द मोस्ट, वन बाय वन दे आर वॉकिंग अवे. जैसे मैं उनकी लाइफ का कभी पार्ट था ही नहीं. उनके बिना सब खाली लगता है. हर दिन लगता है जैसे मैं किसी अंधेरे रूम में हूँ जहां ना कोई डोर है ना विंडो, just me and my thoughts and this never ending failure का feeling. हजार सपने थे कि अपनी बाइक लूंगा, घूमने जाऊंगा एक्सेट्रा, बट सबने बोला एग्जाम क्लियर कर लो फिर करना ये सब. अब कभी सोचो कि क्या चाहिए लाइफ में तो कोई जवाब ही नहीं आता. ना एक्साइटमेंट रह गई है ना कुछ. ये सब कहा खो गया पता ही नहीं चला, और अब खुद के 10 इच्छाएं भी नहीं लिखी जा रही कि क्या ड्रीम्स देखे थे मैंने और कुछ सालों पहले, मतलब क्या ड्रीम्स देखे थे मैंने खुद के लिए कुछ सालों पहले. Yes, R, I could like feel you because I have also been there, and I have also been there few days back. You know, I just pretend that things are fine with me, but actually things are not fine with me as well. I also think a lot because I feel that people are part of my family. Isliye I'm also sharing my things here in between. I'm just giving my inputs. I also feel the same, and at times I also feel कि I have given everything and still I did not get anything. It is okay to feel like this once in a while because you have had experiences in the past years. तुमने कुछ ना कुछ तो सीखा है, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि you have like completely wasted your time. You have gained experience, you have gained knowledge, you have gained in every way. हाँ, कुछ years lose हुए हैं which obviously could not be returned back. But yes, feeling this way like you are not capable of anything, I think you are simply doubting your whole existence, which is not a very healthy thing to do. वो हर दिन पिछले दिन से बेटर करने की कोशिश करो कैसे भी, like learn something, कोई new hobby develop करो because you currently feel like nothing is helping you. So probably I would suggest कि develop interest in the life around. Develop interest कुछ भी, like अगर तुम्हें walk करना अच्छा लगता है so go for walk. Like you said कि तुम्हें घूमना पसंद है तो कुछ ही किसी भी ट्रिप के लिए चले जाओ, कोई भी शॉर्ट ट्रिप, एंड यू विल फील दैट कंट्रोल ओवर योर लाइफ अगैन. एंड मैं ये तुम्हें अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से ही बता रही हूँ. ऑल्सो यू टॉक्ड अबाउट पेरेंट्स की एक्सपेक्टेशंस एंड हाउ यू फील यू ब्रोकन इट. सो देखो, तुम्हें पता है ना कि तुमने ट्राई किया था, ऑल्दो हमें ये हमेशा दिमाग में डाल दिया जाता है कि एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन द रिजल्ट, बट येस द प्रोसेस जो है वो तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स ने देखी है. द विल टू लिव एंड द विल टू डू वर्क शुड नॉट गो अवे. लाइक येस, if you do not want to do much today, just do anything which makes you happy, and if you just continue adding these little bits into your life, eventually your life would improve. And this is I think I have talked to a lot of people before also जिनको same चीज ही feel हो रही है, like they have lost all control over their lives, they do not want to do anything. उनसे भी मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी कि there is nothing that you cannot do. You can absolutely do anything that you want. You can get into best of your shapes, you can get into best of your intellect, the best of your intellectual capability, anything you can do, but you have to have that will that I have to start. Just begin. I would say just start करो, कैसे भी करो, बस करो. I do feel that you might have felt bad, and it is very okay to feel bad, but losing the will to live and losing the will to do work is not helping you in any way. Are you going to promise me that you will improve your life just 1% better? You will do something to make your life better by just 1%. हर दिन में एक एक टास्क करते रहो, धीरे धीरे करके you will gain that control over your life, and then you would absolutely do anything that your heart says you would do. The next one is a small writing. This person also wants to be kept anonymous. It is kind of poetic, and this person has written it to somebody he is very close to. Silence speaks to me, it talks slowly, whispers. Her love to me doesn't show it. A fire burning inside me slowly like a forest set ablaze by flames. Winds touches me gently, flowers look at me, but my heart becomes a vacuum. Like a night without moon, seeing her smiling elegantly inside the clouds. Searching her, I found reflections isolating me. Still hopes ponder over what to do, hues remind me of her. And I slowly smiling in the hopes of crying inside, still waters the plant of hope, or grows more dense, covering my soul wholeheartedly. So I think this is a very cute poem about somebody this person adores a lot, and I think it is very poetic and it is very nice. It is nice reading love stories or something that you people admire of. I really feel very good when you people send me these type of love notes that you want to be read to the person who means something to you. So yeah, this is very sweet, and thank you so much for it. Now this is the last letter that I would read, and it is probably the most sweetest of all because it has my tarif, and I absolutely love when people praise me. Not in a very expressive way, but yes, I do love when people praise me. So yes, it is by Barish, and she says, "Hey Siddhi, I just wanted to appreciate you and thank you for being such a positive and safe space for healing. Thank you so much. I know you are also going through a lot of things, pressure, career confusion, and a lot more, but somehow you still show up very positively on your channel, and that gives me so much motivation. Your channel was a feeling of love in between all the chaos and mess of neat preparation. Your soft voice and poetic scripts heal and calms me. So grateful to have landed on your channel during my neat journey. I think motivation though हर जगह मिल जाता है, but sometimes our mind craves for peace and positivity, which is very rare on social media, and that your channel was peace for me. So I was also inspired by you and also started a YouTube channel called Clouds of of Barish. Guys, please do check out her channel, Clouds of Barish, and yeah, please show her some love also. I hope everything goes well with you and in your future. Sending you lots of love and warm hugs. Thank you so much, Barish, and I do love this. Though her name is not Barish, but वो उसका nickname है, and she told me कि मेरे को इसी नाम से बुलाना. So इसीलिए thank you so much, Barish, for such a positive and sweet note. Also, guys, please Barish का channel भी check out कर लेना. You know, it always feels good जब तुम्हारे content को appreciation मिलता है and you people could like give appreciation, क्योंकि अपने तरफ से just being 1% kind of heals everything. अगर हर इंसान 1% better होते रहे तो पूरा वर्ल्ड ही कितना अच्छा हो जाएगा. Just think about it, right? I have lots of letters and lots of DM to read, so I would probably create a part 2 of this series. अगर तुम्हारा लेटर यहाँ पे इंक्लूड हुआ, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग, एंड अगर नहीं इंक्लूड हुआ तो ऑब्वियसली मैं इसका पार्ट 2 बनाऊंगी. किसका चैनल है ये? तुम लोगों का ही तो है, तुम लोगों के लिए ही तो है, तो इसीलिए तुम लोगों के लिए नहीं बनाऊंगी तो किसके लिए बनाऊंगी ना. तो प्लीज डोंट थिंक कि तुम्हारा यहाँ पे इंक्लूड नहीं हुआ है तो नहीं इंक्लूड होगा. ऑब्वियसली आगे भी इंक्लूड होगा. इफ यू ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू सेंड मी समथिंग तो तुम भी शेयर कर सकते हो अपने सारे लेटर्स, अपने सारे कन्फेशंस, अपने सारे थिंग्स. ऑल्सो प्लीज मेक श्योर कि वहीं पे तुम नीचे से लिख दो कि अगर तुम्हें अनोनिमस रहना है या नहीं, बिकॉज आई वुड लव टू कीप अप टू योर privacy in case you want this. So yeah, thank you so much for being a part of this video. I definitely loved this. It was a new concept and I loved reading your DMs. Thank you so much for listening, and as I always say, I just love each one of you from the bottom of my heart. Please be a little kind and show love to the girl who wants love. She is Clouds of Barish, and thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye. Love you.